Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Tuesday and it's the 7th of July 2020. So the same as yesterday, we talked about this picture, right? This kind of picture. So this activity will help you again explain for your project. So you can use all of these questions, these guide questions to help you explain clearly, and also you can add your personal thoughts and ideas or like how you understand about the project that we're going to make this coming Friday. Okay, so again, there are 3 questions, and all of these questions are the same as yesterday, but as you can see, the picture is different. So in this picture, the only different is this one, right? So yesterday, this switch, so this is the switch, and this one, the switch here is off. So when the switch is off, there is a gap, and once there is a gap, the electricity cannot flow. So if the electricity cannot flow, then this bulb will not work, right? Even if all the components are there, so we have the light bulb holder, the wires, the cell or the battery, and this is the battery holder, right? Remember? So first question, what are the things we need to make a circuit? So again, teacher has talked about this many times. So the things we need to make a circuit is we have a light bulb, what's this? Bulb holder, wires, cell holder or battery holder, and then we have the cell or battery. And sometimes there's no need for us to use a battery or cell holder because some batteries, especially the big ones, all the terminals, the positive and the negative is on top. So there's no need for a battery holder. And then this one is switch. So switch can either break the electricity or it can make it work. So again, this switch is off. Okay, so now let's try to answer. Oh no, we just answered question number 1. So here again, during your explanation, some of you just answered the questions and did not really write it in a paragraph form. So in writing a paragraph form, it's a practice for you to just speak or to write down like the summary about these 3 questions. And then is the switch on or off? Yes. And if the switch is off, then the electricity cannot work, or the circuit or this light bulb will not turn on. Okay? So again, thank you so much for listening, and reminder, 3 more days to go and we will have our first set of the presenters. Tomorrow, teacher will make a video about who are the students who are going to present first. Last Friday, I did mention and assigned some of the students, but also you need, even if it's not your schedule, but just in cases where the presenters are absent, then you can be the next presenter. Okay? Thank you so much and goodbye. And here's your star. I'm gonna need a turtle to push it. There. Goodbye.